If you're experiencing pending transfers on Coinbase, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check transaction status. Log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the Assets tab. Click on the specific cryptocurrency you are trying to transfer and check the transaction status. This will give you an idea of whether the transaction is still processing or if there is an issue. Step 2. Review network congestion. Visit a blockchain explorer for the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Check if there is network congestion or delays that could be affecting your transaction. High congestion can lead to longer processing times. Step 3. Wait for confirmation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eShark.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Cancel the transaction. If the transaction remains pending for an extended period, you may have the option to cancel it. Go to your transaction history, find the pending transfer, and look for a cancel option. Note that this may not be available for all transactions. Step 5. Contact Coinbase support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, reach out to Coinbase support for assistance. Provide them with details of the transaction, including the amount, date, and any error messages you received. They can help troubleshoot the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Coinbase. If issues persist, always seek help from customer support for further guidance.